Welcome to part 2 of Night Sky Stories. If you haven't watched part 1, I will put the link right up here, so you can check it out. But before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Long ago, by the coast of an ancient kingdom, Queen Cassiopeia made a proud and dangerous claim that she and her daughter Andromeda were more beautiful than the sacred sea nymphs. But pride like that came with a price. The sea gods were angered. As punishment, they sent Cetus, a monstrous creature from the depths, to rise against the land. Skies darkened, waves crashed, and fear swept through the people. The king and queen turned to the oracle, who gave a cruel answer. To save the kingdom, they must sacrifice Andromeda. So under a stormy sky, they chained their daughter to the rocks. Yet Andromeda stood tall, her eyes calm as the waves crashed below. High above, the hero Perseus was returning home when he saw her alone against the sea, moved by her strength. He descended, but before they could speak, the sea stirred. Cetus had arrived. Perseus fought the beast and overcame him. The storm calmed. He freed Andromeda, and in that quiet moment, something powerful passed between them. They returned to her people, who welcomed Perseus with joy. With her parents' blessing, Perseus and Andromeda were married, building a life of courage and love. The gods, moved by their story, placed them among the stars: Perseus, Andromeda, Cassiopeia, Cepheus, and even Cetus, shining reminders of a love that defied fate. So tonight, when you look up, you will see more than stars. You will see a hero, a princess, and a love that heavens never forgot. Long ago, under skies untouched by time, there was a kind and gentle woman named Callisto. She loved the wild places, the woods, the night sky, and the freedom of wandering beneath the stars. But Callisto carried a secret in her heart. She had fallen in love with Zeus, and from that love a child was born, a boy named Arcas, whom she cherished with all her being. When their love was discovered, under the dark shadows of a jealous presence, a spell was cast and she was transformed into a silent bear wandering the forests alone. She could no longer speak or hold her son and could only watch him from the shadows beneath the trees. Her heart was burdened with love for the child just beyond her reach. Time passed and Arcas grew into a strong and noble young man. One day, while walking through the woods, he came upon a bear. He didn't know it was his mother. He raised his spear, ready to defend himself. At that moment, just before tragedy could strike, the skies intervened. To protect them both, they were lifted into the heavens. Callisto became Ursa Major, the great bear. Arcas became Ursa Minor, the little bear. Now they circled the sky together, mother and son forever close, never again to be torn apart. So when you look up and find the Big Dipper or the Little Dipper above you, remember the mother who still watches over her child, her love written forever in the stars.